Ruchi, do you have the books with you on WhatsApp? Can you share screen? Because Rahul से आज नहीं आ पा रहे, and I am from a different laptop, so इसमें है भी नहीं screens. If you have, please.
Just let me try once.
Yeah, thank you, darling. Anybody else? Neha Jain, Neha Khere, Supriya, if you all have, if you can share screen with the books. Neha, I know you're a little tech savvy, darling. Can you please check? Ruchi is checking as well. Can you please check? Otherwise, I'll have to be reading them. Requesting anyone, if anybody has the books with them and they can share the screens. Yes, Neha, thank you, my dear. As it's a new laptop, unfortunately, I don't have that the folder, my book folder on this laptop. And Rahul sir is unable to host a session, so if possible. Matters. All right. Meanwhile, Neha is trying to do it. Just let's start our Pixie programming, a Power of Dreams programming. Let's go with it without the music. So please do it. Or you can just close your eyes and you can manifest if that's also possible. Okay, it's 5:03. Let's not waste much time. Jab Neha ka ho jayega, if she can, of course, she will share. Yes, Neha, I can, my dear. Yes, you are the co-host, Neha. So please share. Thank you so much, my warrior. Okay, so today is we're going to start with Luke Cotino, and let's go with what he's telling us. He's teaching us. Also, and I've been at it. Just give me a bit. Today's fact is never skip Shavasana after workouts. So just that, let's understand the science behind it. So we all are into working out, whether yoga or whether something. This is probably the most powerful yoga pose, also known as a corpse pose. Rest and recovery is so important to making a workout effective. So resting and recovery is very, very, very important. Even the most intensive workout can be damaging and quite useless if you don't have enough rest and recovery. During a workout, you often tend to push your limits to run that extra mile, hit that extra repetition set, and stretch a little more. All of these activities raise the heartbeat and stress the body, often releasing cortisol and causing lactic acid to accumulate in the muscles. So, end every workout, whether it's a simple walk, yoga, running, lifting weights or CrossFit with Shavasana. I don't think हम लोग कोई भी करते हैं वॉक से आकर तो कोई लेटता भी नहीं है घर पे राइट so they're saying recovery is very very important Luke Cortino is saying it's very important because lactic acid accumulate हो जाता है muscles में so very important to do that it helps in the body quickly breaking down lactic acid and calm the mind. It allows the energy to come back into equilibrium with nature, which means it's better for your circulation, hormones, muscles, tissues, and joints, and thus weight loss. You can even practice Shavasana after a hard day's work prior to sleeping, and anytime the body or mind is tired. Just 10-12 minutes of unplugging yourself from all of life's stress and drama will make you feel energized again. To practice Shavasana, lie flat on your back. Keep your feet about 2 feet apart. Relax your arms. Let them be on the sides, about 1 feet away from the body. Your palm should be facing upwards, heaven upwards like this. Close your eyes. Now comes the hard part. Relax the whole body. Focus your attention on your natural breath as it flows in and out of your nose. Continue doing this for 10 to 15 minutes or as long as you need to feel relaxed. Although one may sleep at night, Shavasana will double the benefits of rest, repair, and recovery. Almost all of my clients expressed amazement and how the simple exercise, lifestyle change has worked for their mind, their body, and their weight. So thank you so much, everyone. Shavasana is something we should all indulge in after any kind of workout. Thank you, Neha, for showcasing this book. To those of you who've just logged in late, Rahul sir does not have net connectivity and is not able to do the session. So Neha, please scroll up, go to chapter number 9, page number 116. Keep scrolling, keep opening it and going further. Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. While Neha is moving to chapter number 9, let's start the chapter. The chapter number 9 is a new one, and I hope kal chapter 8 ka aap logon ne video kara. Any feedback on that? Kuch aapko logon ko laga, nahi laga? Was there something? Okay. So Neha, ho raha hai? Are you being able to manage? Beta, book khol pa rahe ho aap? Neha Khairi, I'll unmute her also. Okay, anyways. So resistance to setting big goals. So those of you who have the PDFs on your mobile, aap khol sakte hain mobile pe, because Neha is trying, but we are not being able to. Well, I have a new laptop, so I'm not able to access the books. So let's just start like this. I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused. Very apologetic. But the show must go on, they say, right? So let's do it. So chapter number 9, resistance to setting big goals. ये हमने, if you remember, Stephen Scott की book में भी किया था कि हम बड़े goals बनाते ही नहीं हैं. We're resisting them for some XYZ reasons. We can't think big, we can't dream big. Why? Because we've limited our thought process. Now let's go for that. The process of setting clear goals, actually writing them down and reviewing them regularly is one of the most universally accepted keys to success. Studies show that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them than those who only voice them. It sounds simple, but I've found that the vast majority of people with dreams and good ideas avoid setting goals, especially for money. So very important for all of us to know that just jab money aane wala hota hai kisi goal ke liye, oftentimes we forget setting up goals. We can't. We want to, but we can't. There's some kind of urchin, there's some kind of a lacuna. We are unable to do that. So what do? They say they want to earn more and grow their business or have enough to take vacations and pay bills, but that's subjective with no figures or details. For few people actually set a specific goal and how much they want to earn. You need to. In order to create and attract what you want in your life, your first step would be to clarify what you want and then ask for it. Why we avoid setting goals? So, pehli baat to, hum sabko, we have to understand that our goal has to be pretty much there, loud in the clear. So, Neha, we need to move on to page number 117 or page number 116. Book में PDF में देख लीजिए, chapter 9 है. This is a different chapter that you've opened. Okay. So very, very, very important to understand that we all can't deliberate, can't think about it in a negative fashion. If you want some money, you have to think about it. But most people can't do. So what do? Let's work in the book of tapping. हम क्यों achieve नहीं कर पाते, क्यों avoid कर पाते setting goals? Why do we do that? Typically, self-employed people, one more, okay. So Neha ka shayad nahi ho raha, Amit or anybody else, if you have the book with you and if you can share screen, I can make you a co-host. Anybody, Shivani, Amit, whoever is a geek, Kamakshi, anybody who can share screens, has any idea, please open your PDFs from your book. You can email it to you. It will take about 5-7 minutes, but agar ho jayega to theek hai, because Neha ke samne book aa gayi, but she's not able to go further. I don't know for whatever reasons, because she won't even know how to do it. So it's okay. Not all of us are familiar. If you can, it will be help for everybody else. But now we are on the section that hum kyun avoid karte hain setting goals. Why do we avoid? We all want to, but we can't. Why do we do that? So typically, Alona, can you share your screen with the book, Tapping into Wealth? If yes, let me know. Rahul sir is not here today and I have a different laptop. Yes, take your 2 minutes. If whenever you're ready, let me know in the chat box. It'll help everyone. Thank you, my dear. So typically self-employed people or small business owners work hard, setting and achieving all sorts of goals in their business every day for product quality, manufacturing efficiency, or satisfied customers. But they often don't set concrete income goals. If you don't set specific goals, start to do it with your transition from your old paradigm to a new wealthy reality. Setting an income goal is the most powerful step you can take. So why don't the majority of people do it? So isme kya, what are we understanding? Production कितनी करनी है, sales कितनी करनी है, manufacturing कैसे आनी, ये सब तो हमने plan कर लिया, goal भी कर लिया कि इतना बनना है आज, and we do that. लेकिन what about income? Why don't we do that for income? Because हमारी conditioning income के लिए उतनी आगे बढ़ती नहीं है. हम सब कुछ plan कर लेते हैं, but income define नहीं कर पाते कि हमें इतना पैसा चाहिए. Now, setting a goal that's outside your comfort zone of know-how and confidence. It will help which money goals often are, causes resistance that shows up as some form of uncomfortable emotion, typically fear or anxiety. So what happens is, half the times we are scared, we are anxious, we are unable to do it just because we think कि नहीं हो पाएगा, डर लगता है कि क्या अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. Now that's impossible. What if I fail? If it's not going to work, maybe it'll be too hard. Maybe I'll never see my family. Maybe this, maybe that. So many excuses, so many doubts, so many fear. कई बार गुस्सा भी कि अरे मैं करता हूँ होता नहीं. So we are scared about it. Setting an income goal and reviewing it regularly can be incredibly uncomfortable because it puts a spotlight on your inner skepticism about your own abilities and worth. कई बार जब हम इनकम के लिए गोल सेट करते हैं, उसको रिव्यू करते हैं दोबारा कि अब हुआ कि नहीं, तो कई बार स्केप्टिकल होते हैं, डाउट होता है, अपनी वर्थ के ऊपर भी होता है कि कैन वी डू इट, कैन वी नॉट डू इट. सो इट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स अ लैक ऑफ फेथ इन वेदर और नॉट ड्रीम्स कैन कम ट्रू. कई बार ये भी होता है कि सपने सच तो होते नहीं, हम कितना ही प्लान कर लेते हैं, बट इट डजंट वर्क. So it's very important for us to get in this comfortable zone. But anyways, क्यों नहीं होता, let's understand further. As I said earlier, your current income reflects exactly where you feel you should be. the level that makes you feel safe. While consciously, you may choose that where you are now, right now doesn't work for you financially. It doesn't push the uncomfortable emotional buttons that setting big goals can. So very, very important for us to understand that goal setting is important. Buttons push ho rahe hain, uncomfortable ho rahe hain, that's fine, but we have to break over this. Tapping will help us. But let's understand. Page number is 117, Alona. Chapter number 9, resistance to setting big goals. So thank you, Alona. And thank you so much, Neha Khere, for trying. It's always good to try. Whether we succeed or whether we don't, it doesn't matter. Efforts count. So thank you so much for that. So हमारी income, हमारे state of mind पे होती है. Where is it that we are resonating? What is it that we're resonating at? Can we do it? Can we not do it? It's very, very important to make them understand that we are here for a journey, for a reason. Now, the journey and reason is that we need to have this much of money in our life. This is what I can do. चाहे uncomfortable हो, चाहे नहीं. कई बार हम believe भी नहीं कर पाते, right? Skepticism है. Can I do it? It's too much. मेरी पहुंच के बाहर है. Get one thing very clear. हमारी पहुंच वहां तक है जहां तक हम जा सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं. एहसासों की दुनिया है. It's all about thinking. It's all about thoughts. If you can't think that big, you can't reach that big. First is your reach. So very, very important to understand that. Thank you so much, my dear. Okay, so page number, chapter number 9, just scroll, right? I think it's the next chapter again, I think. I'm not sure. There's no page numbers marked. Everyone just wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, it's the next time. Just go open. Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just go scroll down, niche. A bit. A bit more, Alona. A bit more. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. So थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आइए, हल्का सा और ऊपर. That paragraph where says everything needed to start to collapse. Yes, that's it. Okay, so very beautifully we are now in this world of setting into goal. Alona, ये नीचे है, अभी भी थोड़ा ऊपर जाना होगा. ऊपर जाओ. एक पैराग्राफ शुरू होता है setting a goal. Yeah, as I said earlier. Yeah, but that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. As I said earlier, your current income reflects exactly where you feel you should be, that level that makes you feel comfortable. So जहां आपका income अभी आ रही है, आप उससे comfortable हो. Similarly, जहां आपका body weight हो, आप उससे comfortable हो चुके हो. चाहे आपको लगता है कि नहीं, I want to lose weight या I want to gain my money, but आप comfortable हो. While consciously you may believe that where you are right now doesn't work for you financially or physically, it doesn't push the uncomfortable emotional button that setting big goals can. When you set a goal that's substantially beyond your current income number, you can see and feel the programming and limiting beliefs that keep your numbers small. This is important to understand. जैसे हम लोगों ने समझा कि हमारी conditioning क्या हो रही है, हम wrong trajectory पे, wrong path पे जा रहे हैं, that we want to impress people, right? लेकिन this is not what is happening. So very, very important कि हम लोग को impress या उनको satisfy नहीं करना चाहते. Actually हम अपना goal achieve करना चाहते हैं, so that they know about it. But उनके लिए कर रहे was a wrong path. हम अपने लिए कर रहे in the process, cherry on the cake वो भी देख लें, बोले amazing. Now that's great. So this is where we have to understand. Now, when you set a goal that's substantially beyond a current number, you can see and feel the programming and limiting beliefs that keeps your number small. अब आप देखो कि क्यों number small हो रहा है, बार बार देखो, because आपकी programming क्या चल रही है. आप चाहते हो ज्यादा कमाना, बट आप ये नहीं समझ रहे हो कि आप कंफर्टेबल हो चुके हो इसमें. कंफर्टेबल होने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप को पुश करना पड़ेगा. जब तक पुश नहीं करोगे तब तक जहां पर हो वहीं रहोगे, राइट. एक्सरसाइज करते करते भी आपको थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू पुश योरसेल्फ कि ओके, वन मोर लैप स्विमिंग के लिए, वन मोर राउंड वॉकिंग के लिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स में हमने पढ़ा है कि लिमिटिंग बिलीफ से हम छोटे बन जाते हैं और अपने डिजायर को मनी के लिए सैबोटैज करते, खराब कर देते हैं, बिकॉज हमारी लिमिटिंग बिलीफ होते हैं कि मैं तो नहीं कर सकता. इट कैन बी हार्ड टू रिकॉग्नाइज योर पर्सनल लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स. Setting a big goal will illuminate them and they'll suddenly become loud and clear. जब आप उसको एकदम लिख दोगे बड़े तरीके से, it will become loud and clear, and that is what is important. Now, when we use tapping as a tool to clear away all our resistance, our big goal switches from being stressful to being exciting and full of possibility. Most important, your goals will begin to motivate you instead of holding you back. When you stop dwelling on how scary it feels to not know how to achieve the goal, which is usually based on what you heard and believed in the past, and slowly focus on your possibilities, your self-talk changes. You'll start to ask yourself productive questions that spark your vision. What will my world look like? How could I earn that much? How would my business look? How many customers or clients would I need? So हम tapping में अपने in beliefs को question करने वाले हैं आज. So it'll be kind of related to what we are doing. I know how the process feels because I went through it as I built my current business. After being in practice for a year, I ran my first small workshop and taught how to set outrageous goals. I set my goal for $350,000 per year on my way to $500,000. I needed to do lots of tapping to eliminate the fear, panic, disbelief I felt. So हम सबका जो fear है, panic है, disbelief है, उसको हम tap away करेंगे. Each time I felt excited about the possibility, I started to ponder the questions that I had never thought of before. What will I do in the future to earn that much? How large would my workshops have to be? How would I attract that many people? What else would have it been to be in place? अब he's a coach, he's an author, he's a writer. अब उनको अगर इतना पैसा कमाना है तो उन्होंने कितने लोग होने पड़ेंगे, क्या है, अपने प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछने पड़ेंगे कि क्या कर सकते हैं हम, so that हमारी we start thinking bigger. Problem is we want to think big and we think we are thinking big, but we're not thinking big because बोलने के लिए हो रहा है, अंदर तो mind blocked है, and जो emotions है वही बाहर निकलने वाली है. So he says that I closed my eyes and I saw Jack Canfield on stage with thousands of people listening, and it hit me. In order to create that kind of income, I'd have to speak on what's known as the Jack Field level. My entire focus shifted rapidly. Alona, can you just... So what happened? उन्होंने जैक कैनफील्ड को देखा, उससे वो मोटिवेट हुए कि अरे ये thousands लोग से बात कर रहे हैं और मेरा भी तो जैक लेवल का लेवल होना चाहिए. Now उनका फोकस शिफ्ट हुआ from what he is known to what he knew to be unknown. मतलब पता है उतना गोल कमाना है, बट कैसे, क्यों, कहाँ, एकदम से कोई मोमेंट आएगा, एनलाइटनिंग मोमेंट आएगा, and your paradigm will change. I realized that the actions I would take to lead me to $100,000 a year as a practitioner would never lead to $350,000. I was a bit lost about how to proceed, but found myself drawn to read certain books, watch specific videos, and study personal development speakers. So very, very important that हमें अपना game up करना पड़ता है. We can't not up our game because our game has to be what we want, right? उसके लिए क्या क्या problems आ रही हैं, we have to address them. Problems से ज़्यादा, main focus has to become bigger. I learned of a live workshop being offered by one of the top people in my industry that cost $1,200 for 3 days. कई बार you have to really invest in yourselves to take your game up. मैंने आपको कई बार बताया, we spent, whoever from BCI here, we spent 12 lakhs for 9 months to learn how to make our businesses go on autopilot. When your business can go on autopilot, that's when you can up your game. उसको आप next level पे ले जा सकते हो, नया काम सोच सकते हो, because you're free in your mind. But आप free होने के बाद उस time को while away कर रहे हो, वो आपके ऊपर depend कर रहा है. So very important to understand that. Now, $1,200 for 3 days was much more than Margaret had imagined spending out of her own money on training. But it was only an hour from home. Every time emails about it arrived, I felt drawn to it. After weeks of fighting it, I registered for this expensive workshop, rationalizing that I'd benefit from attending and could also learn how to run a 3-day seminar. Both happened. But nothing compared to the life-altering, miraculous connections I made at that event with people who changed the course of my life multiple times. So get that very clear. आपके पास अगर आपको झुकाव आ रहा है, कहीं इंक्लिनेशन आ रही है कुछ सीखने के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए, and you're not being able to do it for the demons in you, ask yourself कि what is stopping me? दोनों हुए. It changed their life completely. Now, acting spontaneously led me to the first real solid step to earning my goal income. When you move away from a logical, analytical way of thinking, letting go of what you believe is possible from past experiences, and you go to a mindset of wondering, musing, curiosity, miracles can happen. So, जब आप logical, analytical way सोच के हट के, and आप पुराने क्या experiences हुए हैं उससे हट के, you move yourself to one thing कि, oh wow, this is my manifestation, and you're wondering, wow, अब ये होगा, and you're thinking, and you're curious, and you're like, wow, and that's when miracles happen, that's when magic happens. कई बार हमने ये line सुनी है, magics don't happen with logics. So logic को बाहर करें, magic को अंदर करें. मैजिकल वर्ल्ड में जाने के लिए ड्रीम्स को बड़ा सोचें. अब बड़ा पहुंचने के लिए कहाँ आएगा? द मिनट आप सोचना चाहेंगे, क्रिएटिव आइडियाज ऊपर हो जाएंगे. जब आप एक एफर्मेशन बोलेंगे, आई एम ओपन एंड रिसेप्टिव टू ऑल द गुडनेस एंड अबंडेंस इन द यूनिवर्स, अपने आप नए डोज ऑफ मैग्निफिसेंस को लेंगे. क्रिएटिव आइडियाज एंड इंस्पायर्ड थिंकिंग फ्लो फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. When you go from the vibe of it's impossible to there are many ways to make this happen, you step into the highest potential for inspired $1 million ideas. अपने आप वो ideas आएंगे ना, बोलेंगे I saw thought of this idea, really? Was it me? या किसी ने मुझे help करी? क्योंकि आपके mind में वो सारे ideas पनप रहे हैं, लेकिन आपने उनको permission ही नहीं दी unfold करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपके में fear था. The minute आपने fear से अपने आप को बाहर निकाला, you're going towards absolute limitlessness. Now, shifting from impossible to possible. अब हम समझते हैं कि चलो impossible है, possible जाना है. ये हमने स्टीवन स्कॉट की दुनिया में बहुत किया है, but एक बार आज reiterate कर रहे हैं. Get that very clear. The shift from refusing to consider a goal that's well above your current level to believing you can do it is possible because there are two parts of your mind. First, there's an analytical, logical part that's focused on implementing a step-by-step practical plan. ये क्या है? ये आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड है, लॉजिक से काम करता है. एक और साइड ऑफ द माइंड है जो नॉन लीनियर है, इमेजिनेटिव है, विजनरी है, पार्ट ऑफ यू है, एंड ड्रॉ करता है आपकी अनकॉन्शियस क्रिएटिविटी को. हमारे अंदर इतनी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, क्योंकि हम सबने इतनी लाइफ लिव करी है, और उन सब का वो एक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कल्बिनेशन. कुछ भी कर सकता है, वो लिमिटलेस है वो. और जब आप सोचते हो कि अब मैं लिमिटलेस हूं, आप उसको एक्टिवेट कर देते हो, तब आपकी लाइफ में मैजिक होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. जब ये स्विच ओवर होता है ना, वी कैन टेक क्वांटम लीप्स. एकदम से लगता है कि अरे हाँ, मैं तो कर सकता हूँ. कभी किसी ने फील किया ये एकदम लाइफ में बड़ी एनर्जी है, लेकिन लाइक मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, विद दैट माइंड व्हेन यू गो, यू कैन एक्चुअली क्रैक इट. लगता है कि अरे वाह, मैंने कर दिया. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Now, when you understand that you can limitless and you can do it, and आप stuck नहीं होते लाइफ में, अपने आप रास्ते खुल जाते हैं, and you can do it, then you're in an open and receptive mode. Then we are unlocking a treasure chest within us, हमारे अंदर का ट्रेजर बॉक्स को हम ओपन कर रहे हैं. हर दिन हमें लगेगा वाओ वाओ वाओ. Each time you look at your goal, you'll think, yes, I want that. The creative part will see it as an interesting problem to solve and be excited to try to reach the goal. So get that very clear. When you begin to believe that anything is possible, anything is possible. Believe तो करो. सबसे बड़ा word है believe. What do you believe? Are you stuck up there or are you moving on there? The creative part of your mind will begin to incubate and it will try to stimulate. Get that very, very, very clear in your mind. If you are coming in the world, you will be very clear about it. You are going to be, the creative part of your mind will begin to incubate and try to stimulate growth for the ideas and visions. You will feel nudging to act. आपको एक अंदर से push मिलेगी खुद के लिए, या कोई ना कोई आके push कर देगा. You'll feel nudged. It'll be like intuition. It'll be moments of inspiration. अरे wow, yeah, let's do it. वो ऐसे आएगा. अब उस पे आप वर्क कर रहे हो कि नहीं वर्क कर रहे हो, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू. आप सबको मैंने बोला हुआ है, कीप अ स्मॉल, जो लोग संघा में गए थे, रिट्रीट में गए थे, यू हैव अ स्मॉल बुक ऑफ आइडियाज. कीप दैट बुक विद यू. जब कभी ऐसे कुछ आइडिया आए, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. अदरवाइज अपने साथ एक व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप बना लो. जस्ट एड समबडी देन डिलीट दैट पर्सन. कीप दैट आइडियाज. कभी कोई आइडिया है, हाथ के हाथ, बिकॉज स्मार्टफोन सबके हाथ में रहते हैं. राइट दैट आइडिया कि आइडिया आया है. कई बार वो ब्रेन एकदम ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज आते हैं एंड आप उनको साइड कर देते हो. Sometimes it won't seem logical or practical, but when you're drawn to them, they'll keep popping up until you listen. आपके पास आइडियाज हर जगह से आते हैं, लेकिन आप उनको देखते ही नहीं हो. यू रिमेम्बर इन लाइफ पैटर्न्स रिपीट करते हैं, हर चीज रिपीट करते हैं कि जब तक आप लेसन नहीं सीख लेते. इवन ये ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज आपकी लाइफ में आ रहे हैं, जब तक आप लेसन नहीं सीख लेते, वो आते रहेंगे, दिखाते रहेंगे. उसके बाद जिस दिन आपने देख लिया, अमेजिंग. Now, when a goal excites you and you're open to it, you'll summon more energy, more courage, more desire to take action. This is the law of attraction. एकदम से आपके मन में आया कि यार मैं कुछ खोज रही हूँ. I'm finding something. लाइफ में मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मैं कुछ खोज रही हूँ. और आप इतने ओपन होकर कुछ भी आ जाए, देखते हैं. फिर एकदम से कोर्सेज आ जाएंगे, लोग आ जाएंगे, टीचर्स आ जाएंगे, मेंटर्स आ जाएंगे, एंड आप बोलेंगे अरे ये तो मैं खोज रही थी. क्योंकि आप जो एनर्जी सोच रहे हो, उसी को आप वर्क कर रहे हो. अब आप सब इस जर्नी में क्यों आए हो? बिकॉज यू आर फाइंडिंग समथिंग एंड यू आर नाउ फिनिशिंग एंड कंप्लीटिंग इट बिकॉज यू आर रेडी फॉर दिस जर्नी. सो एंड उसमें से भी अब आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हो, नहीं सो जाते हैं, ठंड है, नहीं उठेंगे, इट्स ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. Once you get a specific goal and focus on it with an open vibe, you'll attract what's needed to bring it to fruition. So अगर आपने गोल प्लान कर लिया कि हाँ मुझे लाइफ में कुछ चाहिए और मुझे मिल गया है, तो अब आप उसको फ्रूएशन में आप लाओगे. कैसे? आपके फोकस से, आपके एंथुजियाज्म से, आपके डिलिजेंट वर्क से, जो आपका गेम ऊपर करता ही रहेगा. अगर आपका फोकस ही नहीं है, आपको मिल भी गया जो आपने ट्रैक किया, आपके लिए परफेक्ट रास्ता भी खुल गया, अब आप फोकस ही नहीं कर रहे हो, अब आप एंथुजियाज्म ही नहीं दिखा रहे हो, आप काम ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप आगे कैसे बढ़ोगे? आप वहीं रह जाओगे. मैं ये नहीं बोलती कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट आपकी जर्नी एलिवेट नहीं होगी. गेम ऊपर करने के लिए 3 क्वालिटीज का बहुत 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 महत्व रहता है. फोकस. जब एक टाइम पे कुछ कर रहे हो, उसी पे फोकस करो, मल्टीटास्क मत करो. कि हाँ अभी फॉर एग्जांपल, चलो इस सेशन को आपने, कई लोगों में से आपने सोचा होगा कि मुझे लाइफ में मनी कमाना है, किसी ने सोचा स्पिरिचुअलिटी के वर्ल्ड में जाना है, किसी ने सोचा अरे लोगों ने इतना बोला है तो कर लेते हैं. बट ये लोगों ने क्यों बोला है? क्योंकि आप चाह रहे थे ऐसा कुछ आपको मिले. अब आपने ट्रैक पे कर लिया, बड़ा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी है, पीनट्स यू पेड अप फॉर आल्सो. अब आपने टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड के लिए 7,000 रुपए, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इसमें तो जर्नल्स भी मिल रही है हमको 4,000 रुपए की. डजंट मैटर, कुछ ज्यादा तो गया ही नहीं. रोज का 20 रुपया भी नहीं एवरेज आता. फॉरगेट इट, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. बट अगर इसमें आपने ऐसा स्पेशल पैसा खर्च किया होता, जहाँ राहुल जन्म में हम जाते, $30,000 फॉर 3-4 आवर्स, $10,000 एन आवर, आप नहीं मिस करते, क्योंकि आपको लगता है इतना पैसा खर्च किया है. सो वहां आपका क्या हो रहा है? एक कमिटमेंट हो रही है. बट अभी आपने जो फोकस किया, क्या आपने कमिटमेंट भी करी? कमिटमेंट करी तो उसको ऑनर किया, अपने इंटेग्रिटी फॉर्म साइन किया तो उसको ऑनर किया. उसके बाद आपने डिलीजेंटली काम करा, एंथुजियाज्म दिखाया। जब तक आपके ये 3 चीजें नहीं रहेंगी, फोकस, कमिटमेंट एंड योर एनर्जी, तब तक आप अपने गोल पे नहीं पहुंच पाओगे। लेकिन अगर जहां आपने तीनों को ले लिया, वहां योर गोल विल ट्रूली एक्ट एज अ कैटलिस्ट। मतलब जो सो मेनी कैटलिस्ट है, वो क्या करते हैं, अपने ग्रुप में एक स्पार्क कर देते हैं, एक मैसेज डाल देते हैं, लोग सुनेंगे उनका कि दे जस्ट कैटलाइजिंग इट। पहला क्वेश्चन अपने आप को पूछना है, व्हाट गोल डू आई वांट टू गो आफ्टर? Most people set a goal that's only incrementally bigger than their current income, just within the current belief system of what's possible, and don't consider the bigger vision of what they can if they open their minds to it. अब आपने क्या किया कि आपका 100 रुपये आपको मिल रहा है, से 1 लाख रुपीज a month मिल रहा है, आपने उसको 1,10,000 कर दिया, क्या 10% बढ़ा दिया, कंफर्टेबल है। ये नहीं कि इट्स अ रॉन्ग थिंग, इट्स अ गुड स्टेप, इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्टेप। But when you realize the power of what a goal draws from you and how specifically it matches what you want, think very carefully about what goal to set. अगर 10% का ही आपने बढ़ाया तो आप उसी पे वर्क करते रहोगे। लेकिन अगर आपने इसको 1 लाख का 2 लाख कर दिया, तो you will have to have brilliant ideas, drive and action to meet a goal just one step up from where you are now. Do you want to match a goal that's 10 steps beyond your current situation? The question Margaret is asking us, क्या हम ready हैं अपने गोल को 10 गुना बढ़ाने के लिए? एक big fat outrageous goal just that will rock your world if you achieve it. क्या हम उसके लिए ready हैं? Very good. Thank you for answering. Now, when Bethany came to me, I was impressed with her incredible talents as an interior designer, but her business was run more like a hobby. She'd considered a few goals, but was always limited by what she thought she could make based on how many things had gone far. So, ab kya kara? Isko help mili. We created goals together, starting with how much money she needed to make to pay bills, add to her savings and retirement plan, and enjoy life. The goal represented one step up for her short-term and modest goal. Bethany felt that if she could pay her bills, living expenses, and have an extra 500 per month for pleasure, it would be a massive change for the better. We scaled her monthly take-home pay number to gross business sales. Once we had a business revenue number and wrote it on paper, Bethany got visibly upset. She felt physically ill looking at it and spoke rapid fire and nervously. I don't see how that's possible. I don't know how to get there. Would I have to charge more? I don't know if I can. Number is very big. I don't know what can do. There's so much of pressure. So जब ऐसे blockages आती हैं, वहाँ tapping help करती है. A few rounds of tapping shifted her into a place of calm, and she became open to the options available to her that could earn that much money. From where we mapped out exactly how many new clients she'd need to add per month. We then connected that number to a specific amount of targeted networking activities she'd have to participate, so in to bring many more new clients, many more new people, many more new opportunities. जब तक उसने देखा, उसको लगा कि तरह ऑन पेपर पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, लेकिन टैपिंग करते करते उसके थॉट शिफ्ट हुई, नया प्लान बना, एकदम से फील आया, आई एम फीलिंग लाइटर, आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन रियली डू दिस। एंड जब उसने ये बोला, उसकी एनर्जी रिन्यूड हो गई, उसका फोकस आ गया, नए क्लाइंट्स भी आ गए। उसके नेक्स्ट नेटवर्किंग मीटिंग में उसने अपना विजन शेयर किया, एकदम से कलीग साथ में आ गए कि चलो ये रेफरल देते हैं, ये देते हैं, ये देते हैं। एंड शी कुड विद इन 6 months the exact new number of clients were outlined in a plan they were with working with her. So tapping is really, really, really important. You and me today will try and tap for sure. So getting excited, हम कल पढ़ेंगे so that we can get this and big full advantage, हम कल पढ़ेंगे। आज हम tap करेंगे with these few questions. So please देखिएगा कि आपके साथ वो answers आ रहे हैं कि नहीं. Thank you, Ilona, for showcasing this book. If you have mirror work, my dear, you can go on to page number 20, chapter number 21. Meanwhile, all of us, time for a sun salutation. मैं बोल देती हूँ and let's just do it right now. So let's take our positions. नमस्कार करें. Raise your hands up. पीछे bend करें. Touch your feet. Right foot on the right side. Look up. Left foot on the back side. Knees on the floor. Face raised. Bhujangasana. Cobra pose. Go to the mountain pose. Right leg aage. Left aage between your hands. Go up. And down. Again, you do your namaste. Hands up. Back side. Stretch. Come down. Left leg on the back. Right leg on the back. You will be facing next to the floor. Drop your knees. Go up. Hips raised. Bhujangasana. Go up in a mountain pose. Left leg in the front. Right on the front. And back. Hands dropped. Again, namaste pose. Hands in the back. Hands down. Right leg on the back. Look up. Left leg on the back. Parallel to floor. Drop your knees. Look up. Bhujangasana. Mountain pose. Right leg in the front. Left in the front. And back. Once more. Bend down. Left leg on the back. Look up. Right leg on the back. Next to the floor. Drop your knees. Look up. Bhujangasana. On the back. Mountain pose. And leg in the front. And up. Namaste pose. Hand on the back. Bend down. Left leg in the back. Right leg in the back. Next to the floor. Drop your knees. Look up. Bhujangasana. Mountain asana. Left leg in the front. Right in the front. And back. Once more, namaste. Hands in the back. Look down. Right leg in the back. Look up. Left leg in the back. Parallel to floor. Drop your knees. Look up. Bhujangasana. Mountain pose. Right leg in the front. Left in the front. And back. Once more, fold your hands. Back. Drop your hands down. Left leg in the back. Look up. Right leg. Parallel. Drop your knees. Look up. Bhujangasana. Mountain pose. Left leg in the front. Right leg in the front. And raise your hands. And namaste. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, everyone. All right. So today we are on the last day of loving ourselves. You've had a 3-week journey. So please let me know how you felt. Kitna shift aaya aapko apne andar? What happened? How do you feel about it? And today, the very, very last day, and let's understand this love that has just started. Abhi shuru hua hai love. You haven't reached to a stage where you love yourself unconditionally. So please understand, loving yourself now has begun now. Please keep doing this book again and again if possible. And always be connected to your inner child. Every day, make it a point to talk to your inner child while you're cooking, while you're working, you go to the factory, driving, doing whatever you're doing, maybe brushing your teeth also. Talk to your inner child, conversation बंद मत करिएगा. Problem क्या होती है हम भूल जाते हैं. Again and again, I'm going to remind you. And जो लोग जो अपनी higher self की journey में हैं, please understand, connecting with your higher self right now, finding a name is important. एक time आने वाला है जब आपका एक तो आप ऋचा सचदेव अक्षय मीनाक्षी whatever वो जो भी प्राची जो भी हमारा नाम है, एक हमारा higher self जिसका नाम मिलेगा, एक हमारा inner child, उसका नाम आप अपना pet name दे सकते हैं जो भी आप चाहते हैं. 3 people in you are going to make you whole and complete. You are whole and complete, but you haven't found these other 2. Now that you've begun finding your inner child, don't lose the inner child again. Always be fun, always be jovial, always be playful, always remember that the inner child is always there with us. Let's love ourselves now. Through mirror work, we discover that we are perfect just the way we are, and that loving ourselves can heal every problem. Congratulations, dear ones. This is the last day of your 21-day adventure in mirror work, with mirror work. It has brought you closer to discovering one of the biggest treasures of your life, the gift of loving yourself. And believe me, dear friends, dear seekers, dear Sanghamitras, ye jo treasure hai na, it's priceless. Because all of us have been taught how to love others, do for others. Self-love हमें सिखाया ही नहीं गया, कभी भी. बहुत, I don't know how many of us have parents who've told us कि, तू अपनी हीरो है, तू अपनी शीरो है, या तुम ऐसे हो, you're a star. Look at the star in the mirror. You're a star. बहुत कम लोगों को ये बोला जाता है, and that's the reason we can't love ourselves. It's not an easy journey. There were a few bumps that we stumbled upon. There were blocks along the way, but we were stuck with it. And then we changed it. I'm so proud of you. So to all my friends who had a lot of overwhelming time, आपको बहुत problem हुई, बहुत तकलीफ हुई, बहुत पुरानी memories आई, I'm sorry. But it बहुत important था आप लोग के लिए heal करना, आगे बढ़ना, उसको accept करना, and उसको फिर बंद नहीं कर देना. So I'm thankful to all of you. You know who you are, that you worked on yourself, and I'm very, very proud of you. And you're quite a handful. ये नहीं एक के दो के नहीं हो, आप लोग काफी सारे हो, in a big way. So thank you, each one of you. This was not an easy journey, I know. There were a few bumps and stumbling blocks along the way, but you stuck with it. I'm so very proud of you. Throughout this journey, you have used your mirror work to help you examine your self-talk, quiet your inner critic, forgive those who have hurt you, let go of your past fears and release old beliefs and negative thoughts patterns. In doing so, you have opened a storehouse of treasure within you. आपने जब अपने अंदर देखा, you found an inner critic. But आपने compassion दिखाया, you forgave the inner critic, that it's okay. आपने भी judge किया, criticize किया, because this is what you were conditioned as. आपने अपने past fears को छोड़ दिया, आपने old beliefs को छोड़ दिया, आपने negative thought pattern को छोड़ दिया, and आपने storehouse खोला, have treasure within you. Louis Hayes says, my wish for you is to always remember that there is one thing that heals every problem, and that is to love yourself. When you start to love yourself more each day, it's amazing how your life will become better. You will feel better, you will get the job you want, you will have the money you need, your relationship will improve, and the negative ones will resolve, and new ones will appear. So self-love से इतना कुछ मिलता है. 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + so many pluses. आपके करियर्स टेक ऑफ हो जाते हैं, आपके फैमिली रिलेशनशिप टेक हो जाता है, अबंडेंस ऑफ मनी आ जाता है, सेल्फ लव आ जाता है, क्रिटिसिज्म खत्म हो जाती है, नए रिलेशनशिप आ जाते हैं. इट्स सो अमेजिंग. Although you have completed this course, your mirror work has only just begun. It is something for you to practice every day. You will most likely encounter more bumps and even a few detours as you continue the journey. रुकावटें आएंगी, bumps आएंगे, but continue करना is important. एक दिन break भी हो जाए, doesn't matter. Tomorrow is a new day, start again. You are ready. You will be ready. You will be able to pick yourself up. Look into your mirror and remind yourself that you are worth living. You are worth loving. You are worth enlivening. You are worth empowering. You are worth enlightening. My dear friends, you all are so deserving. All of us are so deserving. And this reminder needs to come on everyday level because we as human beings need assurance. Hey, you're on the right track. Hey, you're on the right track. You are perfect just as you are. You deserve all the goodies in life. You are a magnet for miracles. Carry your mirror with you. So we touch wood, all of us are lucky. We have a selfie cameras with us. Keep reminding the beautiful person looking back at you that you love this person with all your heart. बहुत important है बोलना बार 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 that you know that inner child you love, the person you love, and you are falling in love with yourself more and more, and you will continue to work on it. Let's affirm, when I express love towards myself and everyone I meet, that love comes right back to me. So very important to understand that. In my afterword, I will leave you with a list of 12 ways you can love yourself now. Let them serve as reminders of the good work you've done over the past 3 weeks. And remember, I love you. So we will go to our mirror, in front of our mirror today, and we will look at the beautiful person looking back at us. We'll raise our arms and give ourselves a big cheer, finish, hug kar lena, cheer kar, yeah, whatever you want to do, and say these affirmations. I love you, darling. I really love you. Use your name also. You did it. You can also include your inner child's name and just say, fine, thank you for joining me. You completed this course and I'm so proud of you, says Louise Hay. You can do anything you set your mind to. Very important to say this last line. You, my dear friend, now can do anything you set your mind to. Why? Because you're starting to fall in love. And love with yourself because that's something you had never fallen in love before. Take time to express your gratitude for all the work you've done. Say these affirmations. Thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for being open to learning something new. I really love you. Make a commitment to continue your mirror play. Say, I will see you tomorrow, gorgeous. We will discuss other areas that I'd like to change. I love you. You're worth loving. You deserve only the best. अपने आप के लिए affirmation बोलना important है. अपने आप को बार बार बोलना that say, hang on, it's okay, this too shall pass. It's fine. Say positive stuff to yourself. Appreciate the positive person in you and keep motivating. And one thing, stop criticizing others. Stop telling others all the time. This is your journey. Take your journey ahead. Let the person know that you love the person unconditionally, whether you like or not like. Because ultimately, you want to change the person because you love the person. So it's feeling को अपने मन से बाहर निकाल दीजिए. Meenakshi says it was very tough to forgive though, but now feeling very light. Good, Meenakshi. Great, good for you. The power is within us. Journaling क्या करनी है? Let's review our journals from the beginning of the course. Go through each lesson and congratulate yourself for all the work you've done. So इसलिए बहुत important होता है review journal करना या 21 day program दोबारा लेना. आपके पास books तो हैं, PDF है या hard copies है. अपने आप कर लो. You know, by now you know the gist of it. Chapters में 10 मिनट से ऊपर reading है भी नहीं. It's very quick to do it. Write down the areas where you have progressed the most. Write down the problem areas where you could use more work and work on them. Go back and repeat the lessons in which you feel you need more guidance from your mirror. If you like, you can share your comments also. Now go play with your inner child. Always play with your inner child. Don't forget the inner child. Come what may. Heart thought kya hai hamari? We are all part of the harmonious whole. Remember, you are part of the community of people all over the globe who are working to make this a better world. We have come together at this time because there is something we need to learn from one another. It is safe for us to work on loving ourselves so that we may benefit and grow from this experience. We choose to work together to create harmony in our relationships and in every area of our lives. So very important whether you talk about a world global community or you talk about your Sangha community, You have people to fall back on. You have people who are with you in this journey. Divine right action is guiding us every moment of the day. Such an important affirmation to keep saying and repeating, saying, and never forgetting. We say the right words at the right time and to follow the right course at all times. Each person is part of the harmonious whole. Very important to say and feel these feelings. कि मैं जो अभी कर रहा हूँ ना, परफेक्ट स्पेस पे परफेक्ट टाइम पे हूँ, कुछ मिस हो गया तो हो गया, डजंट मैटर. जब डिवाइन एक्शन मुझे गाइड कर रहा है, मैं सब अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ, सब अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, सब अच्छा सुन रहा हूँ, सो आई एम इन द राइट प्लेस, एवरीथिंग इज इन हार्मनी, एवरीथिंग इज ग्रेट. स्टार्ट सेइंग दिस. कभी फैक्ट्री में, ऑफिसेज में, रिलेशनशिप्स में, किचन में, घर पे कुछ रॉन्ग हो जाए जो आप नहीं चाहते थे, उसमें भी ब्लेसिंग काउंट करो. उसको भी थैंक यू बोलो कि अरे आप मुझे क्या सिखाने हैं, लेट मी लर्न फ्रॉम यू. एंड डिवाइन राइट एक्शन प्लान कर रहा है कि मुझे ये अभी नहीं मिलना था तो नहीं मिला, तो इसमें भी क्या, व्हाट इज द सिल्वर लाइनिंग? डार्क क्लाउड में भी सिल्वर लाइनिंग मिल जाती है ना. फाइंड इट. बिकम अ सीकर. सीक गुडनेस. There is a divine blending of energies as we work together joyfully, supporting and encouraging one another in ways that are fulfilling and productive. We are all healthy, happy, loving, joyful, respectful, supportive, and at peace with ourselves and with one another. So be it, and so it is. अब इस लास्ट लाइन को आप देखो, दोबारा पढ़ो. We are healthy. Do we agree? We are happy. अगर नहीं भी हम हैं तो भी हम बोल रहे हैं, fake it till you make it. Remember, we are loving, we are joyful, we are respectful, we are supportive, and we are at peace with ourselves and one another. And one another. अपने साथ तो है ही, दूसरे के साथ भी सब कुछ मिलता है. वो भी हेल्दी है, हैप्पी है, लविंग है, जॉयफुल है, रिस्पेक्टफुल, सपोर्टिव है, और पीस में भी है एक दूसरे के साथ. So be it, and so it is. So thank you so much, Alona, for showcasing this beautiful book for all of us in the last day of conclusion. Let's move a bit further and let's read the last bit jo isme tha, next chapter mein. Yes. So Louis Hick afterward, I'm so happy, dear reader, to have been able to share with you the practice of mirror work, which has been so valuable to me in my life. My hope is that you too will find mirror work valuable as a vehicle for positive growth and self-care. In closing, I would like to leave you with 12 ways you can love yourself now and always. Let them serve as reminders of what you have learned over the past 3 weeks, and provide you with ongoing support for a joyous, fulfilling life. And remember, I love you. Now, it's good to start saying I love you very easily, okay? It's good to keep continuing this journey. आज हम 12 ways एक बार रिव्यू करेंगे जो हमने इस बुक में सीखे, जिससे हम अपने आप को ज्यादा लव कर सकते हैं अभी और फ्यूचर में भी. पहला जो हम मैजिक बुक में सीखा था और यहाँ भी सीखा है, स्टॉप ऑल क्रिटिसिज्म. ऑल मीन्स ऑल. कुछ भी क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना है. क्रिटिसिज्म नेवर चेंजेस अ थिंग. Refuse to criticize yourself. Accept yourself just as you are. Everybody changes. When you criticize yourself, your changes are negative. When you approve of yourself, your changes are positive. Get this line very clear. Criticize करोगे तो और मिलेगा criticize करने के लिए. Accept करोगे जैसे आप हो, and future के better के लिए work करोगे. Approve करोगे जहां आपको और मिलेगा वो. क्या चाहते हो? You choose. Obviously, everyone will choose growth and positivity. I'm very sure about that. Number 2, सबसे important चीज है, forgive yourself. Let the past go. जो हुआ वो हुआ. We can't change it. हम कितना ही सोच लें उसके बारे में, we can't change it. But yes, what we can do is learn a lesson, become understanding, become aware, become, okay, this is what happened and this is what I should do in future to avoid this thing. That's when you're growing. That's when you're changing. That's where you're living differently. कि अब मैं उस पैटर्न पे नहीं जाऊंगा, because अब मैं अवेयर हूं कि वो चीजें मुझे नहीं चाहिए, और मुझे जो चाहिए उसके लिए मुझे ये करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंड करो, फॉरगिव करो, अवेयर हो जाओ और आगे बढ़ो with a very beautiful zest in life. Number 3, don't scare yourself. Stop terrorizing yourself with the thoughts, ये नहीं हुआ तो ये हो जाएगा, अच्छा ऐसे हो गया तो, अच्छा फेल हो गई तो, अच्छा ये पैसे नहीं हुए, डूब गए तो. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Don't procrastinate, don't think so much. मैं ये नहीं बोलती बिल्कुल मैं सोचो, बट जितना अच्छा सोचोगे उतना अच्छा होगा। तो अपने आप को बिना बात को डराना बंद कर दो। It's a dreadful way to live. Find a mental image that gives you pleasure and immediately switch a scary thought to a pleasant thought. Switch words, switch actions, switch thought, switch music, जो भी पसंद आ रहा है, switch करो अपने आप को। Number 4, be gentle and kind and patient. अपने हिसाब से अपने आप के लिए जेंटलनेस दिखाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। हम अपने साथ बहुत कड़क होते हैं, दूसरों के साथ जेंटल हो जाते हैं। कंसिडर अपने आप का इनर चाइल्ड कि आप उसके साथ बात कर रहे हो। सो जस्ट बी काइंड, जस्ट बी पेशेंट, जस्ट बी जेंटल, बिकॉज दैट्स अ न्यू वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, इट्स अ न्यू वे ऑफ कंडीशनिंग। प्लीज ट्रीट योरसेल्फ विद लव, a lot of love. And खुद के लिए नहीं कर पा रहे, सोच पा रहे, इनर चाइल्ड के लिए कर लो, दैट्स आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ यू। या छोटे से बच्चे के लिए तो ये, अरे गलती हो गई, कोई बात नहीं, माफ कर दो, जैसे हम बच्चे को बोलते हैं ना, ऐसे आप अपने इनर चाइल्ड के लिए बोल दो। नंबर 5, बी काइंड टू योर माइंड। आपका ये माइंड है इतना ख्याली पुलाव बनाता है। सेल्फ हेटेड इज हेटिंग योर ओन थॉट्स। अब सोचो, आप इतना बड़ा डिसर्विस कर रहे हो, अपने आप को हेट कर रहे हो, अपने थॉट्स को हेट कर रहे हो। जब आप अपने थॉट को हेट करोगे, हेट वर्दी थॉट्स ही आएंगी। जेंटली चेंज द थॉट्स टू मोर लाइफ अफर्मिंग वंस। आराम आराम से काम करो कि अभी तक नहीं हुआ ना कुछ चीज, 10 बार करिए, नहीं हुआ ना, कोई बात नहीं, अब हो जाएगा। इट्स नेवर टू लेट। ये जो चीजें लोगों ने कॉइन करी है ना, ये लाइफ लॉन्ग यूनिवर्सल प्रिंसिपल से कॉइन करी है। कभी भी देर नहीं होती, सही समय पे अब आयो। नाउ इज योर टाइम, द टाइम इज नाउ। सो जो नहीं हुआ पहले, उसके लिए अपने आप को बीट करने की जगह चेंज योर थॉट्स ना, इट्स ओके। नंबर 6, praise yourself. Criticism breaks down your inner spirit, praise builds it up. Praising yourself as much as you can tells yourself how well you're doing this with very little. समझ में आया इसका? कि अपना क्रिटिसिज्म करना बंद करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट, अपने आप को प्रेज करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट। तारीफ करो अपनी, करते नहीं हो कि अरे मैं कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया। जो डिवाइन लव मैनिफेस्टेशन मेडिटेशन उसमें क्या था ना, सी हाउ फार यू हैव कम, राइट? सो प्रेज योरसेल्फ, टेल योरसेल्फ कितना बढ़िया कर रहे हो। इतना सक्सेस मिला तो उसके लिए भी तारीफ करो, तारीफ से तारीफ मिलती है। Support yourself, find ways to support yourself, reach out to friends and allow them to help you. It's being strong to ask for help when you need it. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मूल मंत्र है। हम सोचते हैं दूसरों को रीच आउट करने में हमारी वीकनेस है कि अरे मैं नहीं कर पा रहा तो कोई कर ले। क्यों नहीं? Why not? It's your strong thing, you can, because आप mentally strong हो ना कि हाँ लोग मुझे हेल्प करने आते, people have my back. Did you look at it? Rahul sir could not come for XYZ reason. Last minute he told me we were trying for half an hour, we couldn't do it. And then finally I knew कोई ना कोई तो ग्रुप में होगा ही, who will help me showcase the books. Like, oh God, लैपटॉप भी नया है, इसमें बुक फोल्डर शेयर नहीं है, how do I go about it? एकदम से Neha Gary was there. Then of course Alona always as a beautiful, as I've always said, I'm never alone with Alona around me. So there she is. So please ask people to help you. It's good to ask people for help. कोई पैदाइशी नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा कि प्राची को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जब तक मैं बोलूंगी नहीं। जब मैं बोलूंगी, एक्सेप्ट करूंगी मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तभी दरवाजे खुलेंगे। अगर नहीं तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी कि मैं आज इससे पढ़ रही हूँ, तो ठीक है, बट आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, आप लोग नहीं समझ पाते, उतना को सामने नहीं होता, आदत पड़ी हुई है हमको। नहीं आदत पड़ी होती तो वैसे कर लेते। नंबर 8, बी लविंग टू योर नेगेटिव्स. Acknowledge that you created them to fulfill a need. Now you are finding new positive ways to fulfill those needs. Lovingly release the old negative patterns. कुछ भी लाइफ में नेगेटिव होता है, हमने क्रिएट किया होता है। और आपको विश्वास अभी भी लोगों को नहीं है कि मैं क्यों क्रिएट करूंगा, बीमारी क्यों क्रिएट करूंगा, मोटापा क्यों क्रिएट करूंगा। अरे करते हो, दिस इज हाउ यू आर। एक्नॉलेज तो करो कि हाँ मैंने क्रिएट किया। मैं दूसरों पे ब्लेम गेम करना बंद, अपने ऊपर ओनरशिप लो। एंड नाउ जैसे कि जो भी लेसन था, प्लीज टेल मी, नाउ आई एम रेडी टू मूव ऑन एंड आई एम रेडी टू रिलीज ऑल द नेगेटिविटी। नंबर 9 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी. Can I just say one thing? Body is the only place we live in. हमारी सोल को बिना बॉडी के आगे नहीं बढ़ सकती। जब हमारी सोल में जो लोग चले जाते हैं ऊपर, वो लोग दे आर फाइंडिंग बॉडी जो डिस्टर्ब होते हैं टू फुलफिल देयर पर्पस इन दिस वर्ल्ड। सनी सैटन की हमने जो बुक पढ़ी थी इनक्रेडिबली बिलीवेबल, जब वो हील कर रहे थे अपनी स्टूडेंट को जिसकी डेथ हो गई, उनकी डेथ हो गई हील करते करते, 24 सोल्स उस बॉडी में थी। और इस बॉडी में हमको इतना कुछ करना है और हम कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं। पहली बात तो फिजिकली नरिश करना है, न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में सीखिए, दूसरों पर डिपेंडेंट मत रहिए। आपकी बॉडी को क्या सूट कर रहा है, अपना जर्नल बनाइए कि हाँ मैंने भुट्टा खाया तो मुझे ये हो गया, या मैंने ये खाया तो ये हो गया, या दही खाया तो ये हो गया, ठंडा फ्रिज से निकाला तो छींक आना शुरू हो गई, अस्थमा बिल्डअप हो गया, जो भी आपकी बॉडी के बारे में आप करो, आप समझो, आप सुनो, लिसन टू इट। What kind of fuel does your body need in order to have optimum energy and vitality? ज्यादा खा के sluggish हो जाता हूँ, कम खा के एनर्जी रहती है, समझो और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो। जो आपका मन बोलते हैं ना खा लो खा लो खा लो, टेल इट नहीं, बट यू विल फील बैड ना, यू विल फील टायर्ड। अभी ये करना है, अभी नहीं खाएंगे, संडे को कर लेंगे, इस दिन कर लेंगे। अपने लिए डेज फिक्स कर लो। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज डू यू एंजॉय? कुछ तो होगा जो, आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी एंजॉयज डूइंग नथिंग। कुछ तो होता होगा यू एंजॉय, चाहे डांस करना, चाहे पिलो फाइट करना, चाहे कहीं नॉर्मल ग्रेटिट्यूड स्टेप्स लेना, कुछ तो होता होगा। चेरिश एंड रिव्यू द टेम्पल यू लिव इन। So very important to enjoy that. Number 10, have fun. Life को थोड़ा seriously कम लो यार. It's make it cute, make it fun, make it adorable. Don't live so seriously. Remember the things that you give as a joy as a child. Incorporate them in your life now. Start incorporating them. Find a way to have fun with everything you do. Let yourself express the joy of living. Smile, laugh, rejoice, and the universe rejoices with you. कभी कभी बचकानी हरकतें करना मजा आता है। हैव फन ना, क्यों इतना बड़ा जल्दी बड़ा होना है? लेट पीपल रिमेम्बर शी इज सो फन, शी इज सो फन, ही इज सो फन, या हमेशा लाइव वायर रहता है। Now we all think of Prakash ना कि हमेशा he should crack jokes and make us all have fun. Yeah, it's important to have fun. जब fun लोगे तो life will treat you much better. Number 11, love yourself, do it now. Don't wait until you get well or lose weight or get a new job to find a new relationship. Begin loving yourself now. Do the best you can. जैसे हो बढ़िया हो, अभी तो लव करो तो बेटर बनोगे, और अभी लव नहीं करोगे कि ये हो जाएगा तो आई लव, तो ऐसी दुनिया में रह जाओगे कि मेरा 50 किलोज वेट हो जाएगा तो आई लव माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ 100 किलोज, अरे आई कांट लव, अभी तो मैं बहुत मोटा हूँ, अभी तो मैं चल भी नहीं पाता, अरे लोग क्या बोलते हैं, फॉरगेट इट। इसके लिए क्या करना है? डू योर मिरर वर्क, look into your eyes often, express the growing sense of love you have for yourself. Love yourself, forgive yourself, look into the mirror, keep loving yourself, talk to your parents by looking into the mirror, forgive them too, at least once. आपके पेरेंट्स को forgive करना सबसे important है, क्यों? Because पेरेंट्स से अगेंस्ट आपने बहुत कुछ अपने मन में भर रखा है, so थोड़ा सा उनको भी forgive करिए। जहां पर वो थे वहां पर वो थे, you have to understand that now and move on. Very important. Thank you, Alona, my dear. This was a gorgeous, magical book, and you've done it so beautifully for all of us. Now, I don't think you'd have hard thoughts, but even if you have, I think you can just read the hard thought as it is today. Is that okay for everyone if I just read it off my book? If yes, let me know. So very important for us. कल हमने एक hard thought पढ़ी थी, which says, I can heal myself on all levels. So Alona, thank you for sharing your screen. You can close it now. You can stop sharing the screen. Thank you, my dear. God bless you. So aaj ki heart thought is very beautiful. It's about a healing atmosphere. It says, I am a magnet for miracles. And that's a beautiful affirmation which all of us should realize that this is the most important affirmation ever. Dis-ease, or read as disease, breeds in unforgiveness. जब आप अनफॉरगिव मोड में रहते हो, लोगों को फॉरगिव नहीं करते हो, अपने आप को फॉरगिव नहीं करते, तब बीमारी आती है, resentment, non-forgiving. Forgiveness has nothing to do with condoning behavior. The very person you find it hardest to forgive is often the one you need to let go of the most. I have found that forgiving and releasing resentment will help to dissolve even cancer. So very important that we forgive ourselves. until you forgive yourself, you can't move forward in life. Yes, Alona, please read if you wish to. Great. So your thing is, I'm magnet for miracles.
I am magnet for miracles. Unknown and unexpected good is coming my way this day. I am far more than rules and regulations, restrictions and limitations. I change my consciousness and miracles occur. Within every medical establishment, there is a growing number of practitioners who are enlightened and on spiritual pathway. I now attract these people to me wherever I am. My mental atmosphere of love and acceptance is a magnet for small miracles. Every moment of the day, where I am, there is healing atmosphere, and it blesses and brings peace to all. And so it is.
How wonderful. So it is. Thank you, Rona, for all the 3 books and for reading. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay. Shivani, a cue for you. Today we will do a meditation. We can call it probing. We'll start probing within us. We go inside, we'll probe questions and we'll get answers. So everyone, today we'll try and find tapping points and we'll try and tap away all the negativity blockages. So be ready for it. You can close your eyes and I will let you know when we have to tap. So let's go for this journey. And I will make Shivani the co-host also. Yes, my dear. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, Shivani. Yes, you're the co-host. Let's all check our postures. Our back straight. Our hands comfortably placed on our laps. Let's be grounded. Let's take a deep breath in. Fill our lungs with love. Unconditional love. Infinite love. And as you exhale, let's share our love with the world. Take another deep breath in. Fill your lungs with light. Let all of us see the light within, the light that we have missed. And as you exhale, let's share our light with the world. Take another deep breath in. Fill your body with hope. I hope and I know it's going to be a beautiful life ahead. I hope and I know that whatever I want, I will get. And let's share this hope with the world, filling them up with hope that they too can get whatever they want with the law of attraction, with energizing ourselves, with increasing our vibrations. Life is love. Life is joy. Life is all about abundance. I am joyful. I am abundant. I am love. I am light. And yet, there are times when I can't see my own bright light. When I need someone from outside to tell me to go ignite the lamp of hope. And then I see myself imagining myself as lighting a lantern or a candle or a light. All of a sudden, the bright world starts to show. May I today go deep within me, seeking questions, and may the light within me today reply to whatever I'm probing and asking and pondering and wondering. I've been told that I have been conditioned, programmed into one specific way of thinking, and that thinking is deterring me from setting my goals, impossible goals. But I know that impossible by itself means I am possible. So how can anything be impossible? So here I go, tapping into my being, asking myself to shift my paradigm from impossible to possible. Let me now get ready with an intention of telling my mind, my subconscious mind, that dear subconscious mind, today as I ask the questions, please give me the answers, the right answers. And later, I will tap them all away, whatever negativity, and fill myself with all of positivity. Let me start tapping on my head and continue the cycle the way I want. Dear beautiful body and mind, what is stopping me from dreaming big? Fear? Being scared? What is stopping me from dreaming big? Being laughed at by people? Whatever's coming my way, let me understand it and let me accept it. Dear mind, what is it that will help me plan better? Can I believe more in me? Can I trust the process of life? What is going to help me feel more inspired? What is it that I should do to for more inspiration? Will some programs come my way? Or am I already in that program? Can I see somebody that I look up to for my dream to come true? Please give me the ideas. What is it that I should do to maintain the excitement, the enthusiasm? How can I always be on a path of being excited and not judge myself whenever I fall? What is it that I need to throw away? What is it? Dearest beautiful body, dearest wonderful mind, I know I have my limitations. I know I have lack of excitement. I know sometimes I'm scared. But I know that I need to be street smart. I need to be a believer. And then whatever I want will happen. So I tap away all my negativity. I'm retuning, reprogramming, reconditioning, rewiring my brain into tapping away all that's not required by me. Let me think big, dream big, feel big, achieve big. Let me go out of my comfort zone. Now let me think, how do I feel when my dreams have come true? This particular dream about money, how do I feel? How do I feel when people are complimenting me? And how do I specifically feel with that one person I thought, or the few people I thought I needed to prove a point to, they're coming and congratulating me? Have I shifted my mindset from the fact that, oh, I need to prove to them, and I have? Is the ego still there, or can I let go of my ego? Can I tap away my ego also? Because if I'm on a path of ego, I can't become as big as I want. Dear humility, please add in me. Dear compassion, please join me in my body. Come in my body. And I tap away all egoism. Dear body, dear mind, how do you feel? Excited? Encouraged? Powerful? Solid goals are very important, imperative to your body. I invite more goals, big, fat, limitless goals. And I know that now I'm open and receptive, and brilliant ideas, art, creativity, actions are waiting for me to explore them. So there you go, world. Bring them on, bring them on, bring them on. I am ready. I am capable. I am solid. I'm an achiever. I'm a winner. Whatever I want, I get, because the world is trustful, trustworthy. And I get exactly what I want, wherever, whenever, however. And so it is. Let's stop tapping and bring our hands comfortably resting. Let's reflect within what happened, what thoughts came up. Is there any negative thought, any shortcoming, any limitation still lurking on? If yes, can we detox ourselves from that thought? Can we very lightly do the karate chop and take away all that negative last conditioning also from our body? Our body has become light, beautiful, full of energy. And now can we request our body to just take in all the beautiful energy from the world, knowing the more we take, the more it grows. Because the universe is a giver. It has abundant, infinite energy. So let's draw from the universe around us. Let's draw in all the beautiful virtues. Feel all the pores of your body opening up. Right now, feel that all the dark energy, the limitations is all leaving you. Magically, it's going out of your body from all pores into nothingness. It's just leaving you. Oh, you're feeling so light. And now it's a time to fill the golden healing blessings from the universe around you in the form of hope, encouragement, power, motivation, inspiration, go-getter attitude, big goals, achieve goals, dream goals, achieve goals, impossible made possible, everything is possible, magics, miracles, tuning in, finding myself, establishing myself, going where I'm meant to be, finding my love and light, finding my purpose of life, that my purpose makes me happy, and my purpose and my service and whatever I do makes others happy, my vendors happy, my customers happy, my colleagues happy, my partners happy. I am a channel of love. I am a channel of light. And I am a channel of blessings for everyone every day. Bring in these beautiful emotions, these virtues, intertwine them in your body. You're impregnated with this new possibility of ideas. And now just amalgamate them into yourself, integrate them. Feel all of this settling within your heart, within your mind, by giving you integrity, being complete, and being just. Feel the energy. You may be having some sensations around your body, and that's perfectly fine. Now let's thank this body vibration, this sensation, this feeling of frenzy activity, this excitement, this nervousness. Let's thank it. Let's acknowledge it. And dear positive virtues that have now come in me and impregnated with me and amalgamated me and integrated within me, please always grow bigger and bigger. Always be with me. Dear inner child, dear higher self, let's always keep these beautiful virtues with us forever. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now let's bow down to Mother Earth. Be grateful. Let's look at eye level and thank our wonderful life and lives, experiences and lessons. The past, the present, and the future. Let's look up at the universe. Thank it. Trust it. Invite it. Feel blessed. Let's fold our hands and being grateful. 1 minute of whatever, prayers to whoever, gratitude for whatever, wherever, however. And now, dear beautiful body, you are resonating and vibrating at such high energy. Let's share our energy, let's share our love, let's share our light with all sentient beings, with our Mother Earth beings, and all of our Sanghamitras, our loved ones, and everyone around us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's share our love, let's share our light. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you, Alona. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Pratima ji. Thank you, Kamakshi. Thank you, Vijay ji. Thank you, Usha ji. Thank you, Jitendra ji. Thank you, Shalu. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Richa. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Surendra ji. Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you, Shami and Ankur. Thank you, Arvind. Thank you, Supriya. Thank you, Peena ji. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for inviting these beautiful energetic blessings in your life. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rahul sir, for trying to open the session. Be blessed. Thank you, Amrita, for sharing the assignments. Be blessed. Thank you, Alona, for being our angel. Thank you, Neha, for trying so much. So just know one thing, dear friends, that all the shortcomings, all the limitations, all the negativity, whatever we have in us, we can easily tap away with this beautiful exercise that we've learned. And while tapping, you can easily feel the shift of your heaviness going. And then you can invite, when you're light and comfortable, you can invite whatever virtues you want, whatever you want to create within you. This exercise can even be done with open eyes. So what you can also have in front of you, if you don't remember, have a page wherein all the shortcomings are written and one page of all the new affirmations or new conditioning that you want to create. You can all burn the negativity away after you've, taken it out from your body. You've tapped it away. You can flush it. You can just tear it. You can just throw it. The idea is to finish off negativity. And why we burn, why we tear, why we throw is symbolic of us becoming lighter. Remember, uncluttered mind, clarity of vision is what is going to make us closer to our dream world. Any questions, any reflections, anything right now? Okay. So yeah, there are no questions. Yes, Neha. Yes, thank you, dear. Tell me.
Yeah, hi, Dee. So as you mentioned to me regarding the cycle, which we were talking a day before yesterday, as you mentioned that go deeper and ask yourself whether you're doing it to show others. So I dwelled deeper. So more than showing to others, yeah, there was a part which I accept it was there. But the other thing was, will I be able to give justice to it? Like investing such an amount, and then if I don't use it that frequently, will it like be just lying around or something? That was like sapping the energy within me.
So if your energy was being sapped, did you tell yourself, why am I doubting that will I be using it? Ultimately, it's on me whether I want to cycle that much or not. So am I strong enough and committed enough to invest and do it? Or what's stopping me? So you have to tap away your negativity. जो आपको लग रहा है, जो आपका माइंड आपको बोल रहा है कि मैं साइकिल रोज नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी, खिलौने की तरह खरीदूंगी, बाद में जस्टिस नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Tap away that negativity and invite in affirmations, which you say, I cycle every day beautifully. I'm becoming healthier, stronger, fitter. I'm glowing. Because cycling
Hmm.
or exercising is one of the best ways to sweat it out and take out all the toxins from our body. Sweating
Yeah.
में toxins निकलते हैं. And toxins
Hmm.
जब निकलते हैं तो हम ज़्यादा conducive हो जाते हैं for spiritual growth also.
Hmm.
Everything neha is spiritual. But
Yeah.
what we have to understand is that what is it that we want to go. एक हम सिर्फ कर लें और एक हम उसको implement करें. कर लेते हैं हम लोग फिर भी कर लेते हैं उसको implement करना नहीं आता. Continuation नहीं आता. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो दिन दिन रात रात committed रहते हैं और करते हैं.
Because I proved myself last year that I did a challenge in which I cycled 100 days at a stretch. And so I am thinking that the challenge is going to start on 20th of November again this year. So I have that positive mindset that I'll do it again. पर फिर भी अमाउंट बड़ी होने के कारण ऐसे लग रहा है कि करूँ के न करूँ, ऐसा सिर्फ मतलब
अपने आप को गिफ्ट देना है कि नहीं, abundance mindset में जा रही हो तो कर लो. क्यों नहीं रहे कि अरे मैंने ये किया ही नहीं, कर लेती उस समय. अभी तो you're so young, yeah, you're just in your late 30s. क्यों नहीं? Why not?
Okay.
अब नहीं तो कब?
Yeah,
पैम्पर
true.
करना सीखो अपने आप को. Tell yourself I'm deserving and I enjoyed it. नहीं भी किया 2-4 दिन साइकिल तो so what? एक एसेट क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. अभी तो कौन सा लाइफ स्पैन 1 साल का साइकिल का होता है. It's a long life. Enjoy it ना. इतना क्या सोचना? Just tell them, oh, I am becoming a doer, no longer procrastinator. I am becoming a winner.
Yeah.
So go for it.
Yes. Thank you.
Don't think so much. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
God bless you. Okay. Any other questions? Anybody? Any answers? Any questions? Any sharings? Okay. Wonderful. So let's see each other tomorrow once again. And let's get into this magical world and find ourselves tomorrow in the morning at 5. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all.